Mystery Cybertech for all your computer needs, no fix, no fee.
Hello guys, my name is Paweł Sielski, or Sielu if you like, Mystery Cybertech, and today I've got desktop PC, Dell Vostro 270s, and there's some power issue with this PC. It doesn't want to turn on, and I do believe that is CPU to replace. I've checked this PC before and I order a new power supply, but now we're gonna just take it apart. I'm gonna show you roughly what to do and how to do it, how to take it apart. So let's start. Okay, we've got a few screws here. Then I'm just gonna show you guys front of the PC. That is the PC, and then we're gonna just take it apart slowly. I'm just gonna put this over there. Yeah, and let's start. So now we have to take the front panel off. Okay, front panel is off. And then we've got few screws here. Yes, we've got just two screws in front of the panel. Okay, and then I do believe this one is here. Okay, so that's done. Now we've got like a plastic kind of cover for fan. We're just gonna remove it slowly. Oh, shoot. I should be able to. That's one. Now I'm just gonna disconnect some SATA cables. SATA power cable, and we've got some more of them underneath it. Basically that's the DVD rewriter and SSD hard drive underneath it. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but that's how it looks like. And now we've got access to motherboard. What we have to do, we have to basically take the motherboard out to be able to remove the power supply. Power supply is just here, and so we have to unplug every possible plugged in wire, and we will have to take the wireless card out as well to be able to get access to get out the motherboard. So let's start. Okay, I'm gonna take the 4-pin connection out, and then we're gonna remove this one. Whoa. Oh, it's really hard. Okay, that was a tough one. Okay, cables on the side, and then we've got some USB. Got some And then we've got some power button, and then the audio here, and I think that's it. We can do now. I'm just gonna remove the wireless card now. I think it's just one screw, so should be easy to do it. Yep, this is just one screw. I'm just gonna lift it slowly. What we can do, we can just put it somewhere on the side, and then we've got a few screws in here, a few screws to take the motherboard around. And then we've got second one here. And hopefully the motherboard is gonna come out really easily, but you never know what's gonna happen. We'll see. One more here. It's, to be honest, it's decent machine. I've got i5, I think it's 4th generation of processor, and I've got, at the moment, I've got only 4 gig RAM, but easily you can upgrade it. You can add it another 4, so it's gonna be 8. And then you've got also SATA SSD hard drive, and it's a decent little machine, to be honest, for the office or even home use. Okay, just gonna check if we've got some more screws hidden somewhere. And no, I can't see any. Just to make sure. I think that's all of them. Okay, so I'm gonna put them on the side. I'm gonna take the wires on the side, and I will try to remove the motherboard now. Okay, one side. Something holding here or not? It's not that easy, to be honest. It's not that easy. Okay. Yeah. We should be able to get it out now. There's not much space in here, so that's why I struggle a lot. We can leave the SATA connection in, or you can unplug them. It doesn't matter, to be honest. So we're gonna use this later on. I'm gonna put this on the side. And there is basically it's just power supply to take it out now. This one screw is just there. You have to remove the motherboard first, otherwise you won't be able to get power supply out. not enough space, to be honest, in the case. And then we've got a few screws in there. That was it. Just try to remove it now. Yeah, it's out. Power supply is out. As you can see, 2 power connection, 24 pin and 4 pin, and that is it. I ordered one online and I've got it, so we have to go downstairs and get it, and now we're gonna have short break, come back to you guys in a sec. See you later.
Hey.
Hello guys, welcome back. I just got my power supply, hopefully it's the one, and we will see. Jesus. We'll clean this later. Looks the same. Looks the same. Okay. So let's start the fan. So we're gonna replace this one now. The old one is on the side. A new one arrived. And let's begin. It smells nice. It smells like new. It's really tough to put anything in there, to be honest. Okay. I'm just gonna screw this one up. Okay, we're gonna do a few of them here. I don't know guys if you're gonna be able to see it, but don't worry about it. This is just screws in front of the power supplies. Okay, I've got 2 more. And then 1 more. takes forever, to be honest. How long is the screw? Goodness me. That's it, that's done. Now you have to take all the wires on the side, and we're gonna put this motherboard back in. It's gonna be challenge now. Okay. This is on my way. I think should be able to do this way. There's just a few cables on the way. Okay. Motherboard is almost there. Almost there. Just to make sure everything is on the place, in the right place, and then we're gonna put the screws back. There should be little washers here, but I can't see any washers on the screws, so I don't know. Usually there are some washers, but obviously I don't know, Dell or someone didn't put them in, to be honest, or maybe they. I don't know why they missed that, but that's not my problem. Oh, it is my problem because I have to make it right. Okay, we can start to plug everything now. So we're gonna start from 4-pin power supply. Let's mix and match in here. Yeah, that's gonna be the best way to do it. That's the one. The other one is a big fella 24-pin. Should click, okay, and then we're gonna connect the rest of the sata ones. They're gonna be the last ones, and we're gonna connect the audio now. I have to find the pins first. Okay. And then it's gonna be next one. It's gonna be power button and then I'm gonna connect the USB. Okay, power button, and we've got USBs now. And that's gonna be the last one. Just gonna check if I missed something. Now we're gonna connect wireless cord. It's just one screw, so it should be okay. It's very close to radiator on the processor. Oops. It's just should be okay. Okay guys, one mistake I've done here, I should check the power supply first before I actually put everything into the case, because if the power supply, I know it's brand new, but in some cases they just don't work, so I have to replace them or I don't know. Then you have to unscrew everything again, and you've got unnecessary work. So the best option is to check it out first. But I do believe that's power supply working, because those guys who sending me parts, they always checking them. So should be okay. And yes, what we're gonna do now, I'm just gonna put the back DVD drive and SATA. I'm gonna connect them. But if you're not sure about your power supply, the best option is to always check it before you put everything into the case. So don't do the same mistake I did. Let me figure it out. What's the best option to put the power, SATA power, and we're gonna put the other one. It's just here. Okay. One's gonna go just there. The SATA cables are quite short, so you have to kind of like squeeze between the wires to be able to to connect the SATA. It's not very easy, to be honest, but we're getting there. That's the last one. Okay, as you can see, it's very limited movements here, and I'm just gonna get rid of those cables. Okay, just gonna should be able to. Should be able to connect now. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna screw this back. To another ones. just gonna sort those wires out to make sure it's no bends, or so if you've got bent wires, they can snap or they can lose connection. They have to be in nice order. Okay, we're gonna, yes, I'm gonna do the carbology later on. I'm gonna sort these wires out properly. At the moment I've got them on the side, and just to see if everything is okay. So basically that's it. What we're gonna do next, I'm just gonna put the front cover first, and then I will put the side panel on, and job is done. But before I do this, I would like to check it if everything works fine. So let's see if this is gonna work. So I have to go there. Sorry about the mess. And we're gonna plug this little fella in, and we're gonna check this out. Okay, let's turn it on. The fans are on, and we've got the BIOS. Okay, the Windows is on. Looks like it's working. Yeah, so basically that's it for now. I'm just gonna do some more tests. I'm gonna first do more tests. I'm gonna do the carbology, so I'm gonna sort the cables properly out, and then I'm gonna put front panel and side panel on, and then computer's gonna be ready to ship to customer. So hopefully customers gonna be happy. Thank you very much for watching. If you like it, subscribe it. Give me thumbs up if you can. If you don't like it, please say it in the comments what you didn't like, how I can improve in the future. That is my second video. Still lots of to do. I would like to improve my video in the future. So thank you very much, and bye bye for now.